Don't use very when you have some upgraded vocabulary. Instead of saying very capable, just say accomplished. Accomplished. Instead of saying very clean, just say spotless. Spotless. Instead of saying very clever, just say brilliant. Brilliant. Instead of saying very cold, just say freezing. Freezing. Instead of saying very dirty, just say squalid. Squalid. Instead of saying very dry, just say parched. Parched. Instead of saying very fast, just say swift. Swift. Instead of saying very good, just say superb. Superb. Instead of saying very happy, just say jubilant. Jubilant. Instead of saying very hot, just say scalding. Scalding. Instead of saying very hungry, just say ravenous. Ravenous. Instead of saying very large, just say colossal. Colossal. Instead of saying very light, just say imponderable. Imponderable. Instead of saying very high, just say sky high. Sky high. Instead of saying very neat, just say immaculate. Immaculate. Instead of saying very old, just say ancient. Ancient. Instead of saying very poor, just say destitute. Destitute. Instead of saying very quiet, just say silent. Silent. Instead of saying very rude, just say vulgar. Vulgar. Instead of saying very serious, just say solemn. Solemn. Instead of saying very small, just say tiny. Tiny. Instead of saying very strong, just say unyielding. Unyielding. Instead of saying very tasty, just say delicious. Delicious. Instead of saying very tired, just say exhausted. Exhausted. Instead of saying very valuable, just say precious. Precious.